Hey guys, this is Razvan and Dragos, and today we have a video on how to change the HID bulbs on a V6 Passat. This is from 2005 to 2010 with the HID lights. So first, you want to go ahead and remove the 8 bolts for the grill right here. And then there are going to be 2 more right here in the bumper underneath the license plate. And then once you get that, you want to remove it by going from top to bottom like that. Once you have that removed, there's going to be a plastic piece right here. You're going to pull on that to remove it. And then this is a way to not remove the front bumper, to save you some time. What you want to do is remove these 2 bolts from the headlight housing, and then after that you want to pull this back, and right here you're gonna see the other bolt, which is gonna be this one. And then to get to the last one, which is on the bottom of the headlight, you want to first remove this screw right here, pull this out, and you're gonna have the fog lights, which are gonna have 3 screws right here. Remove those. And then after that, you could go ahead and look inside, and you're gonna see another one of these right here, but on the bottom. It's gonna be easy to spot. You'll know what I'm talking about once you see it. And then after that, you can start pulling on this headlight, and then there's gonna be a metal piece that holds it tight like that. Then you move this back. It's gonna be like that, holding this whole cap. Move this back. We took it out to make it easier. We're gonna remove the cap on the inside. See if I can show you. You have this right here, which has a tab on the side. Pull on this side, pull it down, and then you can pull out the bulb itself. Once you get the bulb, you want to take this out, replace it, plug it back in, and put it back in, and make sure you kick that tab back up so it stays shut. On the other side, it's more complicated. You're gonna have to take off the wheel first. We put it back on so it doesn't fall, and then remove all these screws right here so you can make these well panels loose. And then you're gonna have a screw right here, and then 2 more here in the back. Which should be right here on the bumper. 1 and 2. Now to remove the hard to reach bolts in the bumper, this is the hardest step. You want a 10-inch extension and a 10mm long nut so it reaches all the way to the bolt. If it's a short socket, then you're not going to reach the bolt. And you want to go ahead and go in the back right here and get all the way to the bolt and remove it that way. And then there's gonna be another one on top, so that's how you do it. After that, there's a few more on the plastic piece, and also the same with the fog light housing. Remove that. Oh, and then you want to remove the turn signal by a screw right there on its right. And then you can start pulling off the bumper. Same thing, try and take this headlight out and replace the bulb itself. And after that, you want to put it back together the way it came out. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. We're gonna answer them right away. Just so you know, we know it wasn't very professional, but just to give you a small little guide on how to do it. This was a quick video just to show you because we couldn't find any. This was Razvan and Dragos, and thank you for watching.